Greetings, this is m squared, and we're going to graph some lines. These lines are all written in slope-intercept form, so that makes it a little bit easier for us to graph, because remember, slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b, so this is the slope, and this is the y-intercept. That means where the line crosses the y-axis. Remember, that is the y-axis. So if we know our slope is 3 and our y-intercept is -5, the first thing we do is on our y-axis, we graph our y-intercept, our b, that's -5. And then we use our slope to graph the next point. So we start at the y-intercept. A lot of kids get confused because they want to start at 0. You always start at the y-intercept, so that's why you do that first. And then the slope is 3, so you're going to go up 3 over 1, up 3 over 1. You could also go down 3 over 1. It's positive, so I want that slope to be going up from left to right. And remember, when we graph our slope, it's up or down on the top of the fraction and left or right on the bottom. And this is the positive, negative, positive, negative. Notice it was positive, so that means I could go up and right. So go up and right. But also two negatives when you're dividing make a positive, so you could also go down and left. So keep that in mind for slope. We'll use that. Okay, this one, our y-intercept is 4, our slope is -1/2. So we're going to go up 4 on our y-axis, make a little point, and then we're going to use our slope. Now since it's negative, I could either choose the negative in the top or the negative in the bottom, but I can only choose one. I don't put it in there both times. Remember, two negatives would make it a positive. So if I use it in the top, that means I go down one, and right 2. If I chose it to be in the bottom, I would have gone up 1 and left 2. And notice it's the same line no matter which way I go. So it doesn't matter which one you choose, and I'm not using a ruler, so my lines are a little off, so you have to excuse me on that. But it doesn't matter as long as you just choose the one negative. Okay, this one, notice it doesn't have doesn't have a y and an x, it just has an x. And you're supposed to remember that when you only have an x, that's a vertical line. But the other thing you can keep in mind is if x equals -7, let's find some points that equal -7 for x. Well, -7,1, -7,2, -7,3. I mean, you could put anything for y, but x has to be -7. So we go over here, -7, and we just make a couple points. And if we knew it was vertical already, or that the slope was undefined, it makes it a lot easier. But that is my x equals -7 line. Last one, y-intercept is 5. Slope is -2/3. So we're going to graph 5. And then we're going to use our slope. I'm going to use down and right. So down 2, right 3, down 2, right 3. But I could have also gone up 2 and right 3. And then I connect my dots. And that is how you graph lines that are given to you in slope-intercept form. If they're not given to you in slope-intercept form, it's really the easiest thing to do to get them in slope-intercept form and then graph them. Good luck with that. M squared, signing out.